Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live trading room trading room recap. Sorry, the recap for Wednesday, September the 25th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern. That's when I start to share my screen and get live on the mic. And I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you'll see a promo code for 15% off the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Well, the scan working very well today. Now, I'm just pointing out this one. This was an AI alert. I got into this one and I got out of it and I got back in right here. So I'm finding, as I mentioned yesterday, the cheaper ones, and Mighty Mouse, you'll see I took the Ovid also. I don't know if this one, yeah, it's another Mighty Mouse. I was saying yesterday that the Mighty Mouse alerts have been, strategy has been working quite well over the last several weeks, and didn't have one yesterday, but a couple today. Basically, the Mighty Mouse is looking for stocks under $5. So it's been working quite well, but we've had some really nice ones also. The Float On, there's the Fran, this one, Dova. I have my eye on this one, VNE. So you know what? The AI is starting to work really well. Look at these percentage moves. I mean, it's really, if you sort on the full risk percent column, you'll see the ones that are, obviously the best of the day, and they can keep setting up all day long. If you miss the initial setup, it's not the end of the world. However, my watch list, wow, I mean, we had some great ones today on the watch list. I mean, the number one was Work. Now, Work was one that I was watching yesterday, and I wanted to really take that one yesterday. But you see on the 15-minute chart, see how you have these topping tails and bottoming tails? So it was kind of, I know the trend was down, but this really didn't start happening until, the market started really, or right here maybe, when the market really started to move down. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong day. This is the day when it was really choppy. And, I wanted it yesterday, but I just did not feel comfortable. Look at the difference today. Captain Obvious here, but look at the difference today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 hour straight down, hardly a blip. So I was able to, the alert happened at 22.87. I got this trade right at 22.80 on the short, covered some here at 51, covered some here at 22, and the balance at 21.70. Just a great trade. I don't want to say easy. Nothing is easy, but compare that move to all the chop from yesterday. So that worked out well. It's funny. I wanted to short a BlackBerry. Couldn't get it. Wanted to show that. Not that it moved that much. 559. It got down to 539. Not bad on a percentage basis. Couldn't get it because it was down 10% yesterday, so the uptick rule was in place, and I just didn't get the fill I wanted. Mo took a while, 40.67, but it was a little bit choppy. But now look at that, 39.52. So it's over $1 move. The LVGO I actually did take early, and I got knocked out for a 10-cent loss. But eventually it started to work. 1851 got down to 1815. The Zine, I said right off the bat, I don't like this unless it gets below 7. It never happened, so I just going to dismiss that. And the Pac B is something I kept waiting to see if it could take out 5, and that didn't happen either. So very nice ones from the watch list down. And of course, this is the star, JBL early. I hate to tell you, I got into this one. And I got chopped out right there. I took a little profit, and then I went on my break, and then it did this. So I missed it. The FAS right there, the 490. I think the Fran was late. The 449, yeah, it's a little bit late. The CMTL. Now this is one that I was actually thinking about shorting. If you remember, I've been talking about stocks that have earnings after hours or in the pre-market that gap up and that have a lot of short interest. Not short interest, sorry, insider sales. Now this one had it. The other, sorry. The other three I looked at, though, they were well over 90%. This is at 83%. Now, again, this is a work in progress. So I wanted to watch this one to see if there'd be a fade once it opened. It didn't really happen. I mean, it's been chopping around. The other three, they had the big pop up on earnings, and then all three of them faded, but they were over 90% on the insider. So, maybe I'll just have to, look at those ones that are over 90%. And if it's not over 90%, I'll just forget about it. But anyway, I mean, just a great day. I mean, we had, just a great day. The work, my watch list was actually producing quite well. And even though, the market started off weak and progressed to be weaker, it's having a bit of a rally now. And, we've got all the stuff about, impeachment and in the news, and that's just going to cause fluctuations, of course, in the market. So, but very happy with the way the watch list produced today. Again, if you want to see my watch list, all you have to do is click on the new channel bar and Barry's Windows. And I would recommend you do it every day. I know that you want to be able to take those windows out and add them to your layout. You can do that, but I could be making changes every day to the filters or to my symbol list name. So you may not be up to date. I mean, it's completely up to you. My advice is to open it before the market opens. And if you want to take the windows out, no problem. I mean, you can add them to your layout. It'd take you maybe a grand total of a minute to do it every day. And then that way you're ensured that you're going to be up to date. I had some people in the room saying, hey, I don't have the same symbols as you, or I have nothing. That's because the symbol list name has changed. So anyway, it's up to you. But I would open it every single day, and then you can extract the windows, add it to your layout. It might take you a minute, and I don't think that's the end of the world to have to do that. All right, everybody, I definitely want to get back into the room. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use. A link for our free room, 100% free. Again, you don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.